Matthias, welcome and thank you for joining us today. Please do introduce yourself and give us a short overview of PEIQ.
I'm Matthias Möller. I'm one of the co-founders of PEIQ. PEIQ is one of the top-ranked editorial systems. We are mainly serving publishing houses like newspapers, but also are involved into corporate publishing or special interest publications. The publishers are right in the midst of a pretty fundamental digital transformation. They need to change their business model from a print-oriented business model to a digital-oriented business model. And we are trying to help them and support them in this digital transformation with our tools.
Can you tell us how you have embraced cloud to maybe address some of these sort of digital transformation needs?
We want to have a system that from the start, people directly work on in the system. So you don't need any copy paste processes. You don't need like to send it back and forth and have a PDF or somebody writes about it. Everything is done directly in the system. Everybody has access to those tasks that he should do. And if you think about such a system, you come directly to a cloud-based system. You come directly to a completely web-based system, because everything else just does not work. We think in the process of digital transformation, this is something that really could help them tremendously in getting more speed, focusing on the stories rather than on technology.
What made you decide to go to Oracle Cloud?
First of all, I mean, it's pretty obvious reason. Who is the best expert in Oracle databases and for the cloud? I think it's Oracle himself. So I think it's just a real good starting point to choose the provider himself. I think it's also very important for us that we didn't just want to have a partner who says, well, here are some servers and you can do whatever you want with them, but we wanted to have a partner who helps us also design the best application and design the best setup. That is really helpful to have that relationship also on the technical side to always provide the best possible system for our clients.
Can you just really just summarize some of the real benefits that you've experienced as an organization because of this decision that you've made to utilize Oracle Cloud?
I think the biggest advantage that we have moving to the Oracle Cloud is really the technical relationship with Oracle, to always be in contact with the solution architects to decide which of the technical components could help us a lot. And we just discovered there are some still a lot of optimization possibilities, and that really helps to have a partner that helps us making the right technological decisions in how we're setting up the solutions, because that's what you know best.
And you know, we've been working together very closely, and it's a true partnership. I mean, can you comment on some of those sort of partnership aspects that you've experienced between PEIQ and Oracle as part of our relationship?
I was working very closely with Nicole and her team to get our joint marketing and sales efforts up and running. And I think it's a very healthy and good relationship to also open up the technical space for our customers. So it's not a black box. It's not just a data center somewhere in the world, but it's tangible. There are people behind it, and we can also our customers see that we are in close relationship with Oracle to work with them. And I like that working style. If you don't just use a kind of anonymous services, but you have really people to talk to and partners where you can optimize everything together.
You've come on this journey with Oracle, you know, moving, you know, you're from an on-premise into cloud, you know, to really enable and foster this digital transformation that's happening in your industry. Now that you are on cloud and Oracle Cloud, you know, are those benefits, you know, really now being materialized for your customers?
For the customers, it's just completely natural now. I think they couldn't think of any other constellation now anymore, because they just have those topics not anymore on the mind. They don't need any people to think about servers, to think about reliability, scalability. They don't need to have a team who's there 24/7 to work on if something is not working. They're just much more free to think about what's really important for them. And they don't need to think about technology so much. They just use the technology, but more from an application side. So they don't take care about the technology. They take care about the really the use cases, the actual where business value is created for them.
What's next? What more can we do? How can we make this partnership even more successful?
We still have so many customers that are running our applications on premise. We want to have them running our servers in the cloud as well. As I said in the beginning, we are really supporting the digital transformation from the start, like from a very print focused working to a digital first working. The cloud is the prerequisite for that, and this is the direction we're moving.
I really look forward to working with you further as regards to our partnership. Matthias, thank you.
Simon, it was a pleasure, and thank you as well.